Have you ever wondered if governments can print money, why don't they just print more and give it to everyone? It sounds like an easy way to end poverty and make life better for all. But here is the shocking truth. Printing more money doesn't make a country rich. It can actually destroy its economy. Money is not just a paper or numbers on a screen. It's a symbol of value, something people trust. Long ago, people traded goods directly, but barter was complicated, so we invented money to make trade simple. But here's what matters. Money only works when it's backed by real things like food, clothes, housing and services. Let's say your town has 100 apples and the people in town have $100. Each apple costs $1. Now imagine the government print more money. Everyone suddenly has $1,000, but there are still just 100 apples. What happens? Now each apple could cost $10 instead of $1. This is inflation, when too much money chases too few goods. Even if you are holding more money, it buys less. You are not richer, just stuck with higher prices. This happened in real life in Zimbabwe in the 2000s. Government started printing more money. At first, things seemed okay, but prices started rising quickly, then daily, then hourly. To keep up, they printed bigger bills, even $1,000 trillion notes. But it was not enough to buy a single loaf of bread. People had to carry bags of cash for a simple things like milk or eggs. And in the end, money became worthless. Some even used it as firewood because it was cheaper than coal. Governments can't keep printing money because it's not real wealth. Instead, they rely on central bank to control how much money is in the system. These banks, like the US Federal Reserve, use tools like interest rates, bonds, money supply limits. Their job is to keep inflation low and stable and to protect the economy. If too much money is printed, people lose trust in the currency, businesses raise prices, and soon everyone suffers, especially the poor. So what makes a country truly rich? Not printed paper, but productivity. A country becomes rich when it builds things, factories, technology, clean energy, education, farming and innovation. These things create value. Printing money without creating value is like inflating a balloon. It will burst. So now, you know printing unlimited money sounds easy, but it's lead to inflation, economic collapse and lost trust. Money works only when it balanced with real value. Want to build better future? Support education, innovation and productivity, not false shortcuts.